As Oktoberfest wraps up today, we reflect on the 59th edition of this celebration that brings thousands to La Crosse, all looking to have a good time and welcome fall with open arms. News 19's Claire Tedrowe takes you through the sights and sounds of this magical weekend.
Excellent, excellent.
We look forward to Oktoberfest every year.
I love seeing everybody come out and have such a good time.
And having a great time. Coffee in the morning, maybe a beer at the fest grounds, maybe a pork chop on a stick. It is so much fun here.